Good morning and Jai Hind to all. My name is Preeti Chaudhary. I am working in Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad, as assistant professor from IT department. Today I will discuss about BST in data structure and AVL tree and last B tree. So let us start our first topic. That name is BST. BST means binary search tree. In BST, we will discuss some topic searching in BST, insertion in BST, advantage of BST, and some limitation of BST. Then we will discuss about next topic, that is AVL tree, and next one is B tree. So first of all, what is binary search tree? Binary search tree can be defined to special case of binary tree. In binary tree, what is this? In binary tree, we have child 0, 1 and 2. Same condition here. In BST, you have also same child 0, 1 and max to max in 2. So it is the special case of binary tree. So in which each node n has a following property of BST. First one is all the values of left subtree will be less than value of node. Node means parent या main parent node, and all values of right subtree will be greater than or equal to node. Let's suppose there take example. This is a main root that is 100, and it is called a left subtree and it is called a right subtree. Now check all values and all element values have less than their parent node. This is n and it is subtree left, and it is right subtree. So 90, 80 and 92 all elements is less than 200 because it is left as I told you in previous slide, and same thing is here, all element of right subtree is greater than nodes. So first of all I make a BST, how to construct a BST. First condition is this कि all left subtree is less than to node and all right subtree is greater than to node. First of all we take a first element, that is 80. Now insert each element given in this question one by one and check BST property. First one, now first is 90 is easily add. Now next is 90, 80, after that 90 where comes right, left side or right side? 90 is greater than to 80, so it move to right side. Now next value is 60 is less than to 80, then it move to left. Now next one is 120 is where it comes 80, 120 is greater than by 80, then move to right side, then check it 90, and 120 is also greater than 90, then move to right in 90. 120. Next number is 100. Also check here again is all number, check to one main node, then move to left and right and check again same BST property. The next one is 100. 100 is it is greater than to 80, then move to right direction and again check 90 equal to 90 and 100. 100 is also greater than 90, then move to again right direction and check if it is 100 is greater than 120. No, then it move to left of 120. Okay, got it. Next number is 75, and 75 comes again check this 75 equal to 80, less than 80, then move to left direction. But here then again check this here 75 is greater than, less than to 80, then move to left direction, but 60 is less than to 75, then move to right direction of 60. 75. Next number is 25. 25 then again checked. 25 is less than to 80. Yes, move to left direction. And now check it. And 25 is also small than to 60. Then again to left direction of 60. Same thing. Next number is 45. 45 is where it will come. 45, check again main node, that is 80. 80 then decide where will come left direction and or right direction. So 45 is less than to 80, then move to left direction, and then checked where it is comes. And 60, it is also less than to 60, then move again 25 again to left direction. Now check here, and 25 is what 45 is less than to 25? No. So it moved to right direction of 25. Now checked, each element of left subtree is smaller than to root, and each element which comes to right direction of 80 and all are greater than to main node. 60, 25, 75, 45, all are these called as left subtree. Left subtree element, all element of left subtree is less than to 80, and here all right right subtree element have greater than to 80. So it is a BST. BST, binary search tree. Same question. Now it is a some algo. How it is work like this. First of all, we checked first condition, when you construct an BST, then check it. It is first of all check 80 moves to in a BST. First check root is null or not. If root is null, then it comes to here. If then check to next number. Next number is here. It is full, then move to now it is checked. It is equal, less than or greater than. If it is greater than, then move to right direction. If it is less than, then move to left direction. And in this way each element insert in BST. Now iterative method hai, it is looping, because this condition is work for each element in this any questions. So it is called a iterative method. This is a element in insert and searching a element in a BST. Let's suppose here we take example. This is a BST. Now you want to search any number from this BST. Then how? First, let's suppose we want to search 80 from this tree. So first of all, searching a root item. Root item is 80. Then check. If let's suppose there are no element in BST, then what condition will occur? So first condition is here, root if equal to null. There is a root. Let's suppose you want to 80 and there is any it is a tree. Let's suppose there is a no need any element of this BST, then root equal to null, then output is BST is your empty. Okay, then go to 3 step. 3 step is what? End. Your searching operation there will be end. Now next, if root have some item, then what? Repeat step while root is not equal to null. So equal to not done null, then what is this? If item is equal to root, if item, let's suppose we want to search 80 from this given tree, then checked, then comes to second step, and if item equal to root, the root data, then display the item is found. If at 80 is your number, then output is item is found. And go to again third step. Let's suppose your item is 100, then move to left or right. So first of all check it is not a null, not null. Now check if item, what item is 100 right now, so item is less than to root, then move to left direction, otherwise else move to right direction. It move to right direction again. Let's suppose we want to find out this number. So first of all check it is empty or not. It is not empty. Then check it is first A part. 100 is a main root? No. Then move to left or right. Then here condition is there ki item is less than 2 root or item is greater than 2 root. If item is less than 2 root, then move to left direction here. Otherwise you move to right direction here. Then again check to this algo apply on this subtree, then check one by one. So it is the searching operation algo. Now if you want to insert any element in so first of all, firstly check if item is inserted already present in BST. Then we find out the location and find out the parent's location. So first is the location. It is the pointer which contain the address to element which already present. Next one is parent. Parent, it contain the address of parents parent node of location. ठीक है, lock is used for this and parent use for parent node of location. So first check if location equal to null. If location if location does not equal to null, that means item is present in BST. If parent node equal to null, parent node is what? Let's suppose you want to this. Let's suppose you insert here any number, then checked parent equal to null, then the item is present in root node. Ki if here any parent of here, no, so number is this. So because parent is equal to null, because his parent is not there, so parent it does not equal to null, then the present in root number, that number which one you want to found in main. Same again same both conditions are apply here, and there are the some conditions. First one, if parent equal to null, then if parent equal to null, if there is any it is a parent main of this given tree. So if parent equal to null, that BST is empty, because there is no any nodes in BST. If you now you insert new node at that position. Else new node will be insert in left or right, then check the parent, now some advantage of binary search tree. Advantage, search operation will efficiently. It take long 2 times, because it's searching both direction, left direction also and right direction also. So it take the complexity is log to order log to n. In worst case, let's suppose your number is here, then you comes to each number of this given tree, then time the worst case it take a order of n time. It also improve the efficiency of insert and delete the operation, both. If you want to insert here, if you want to delete, let's suppose if you want to insert let's suppose 109 this element you want to insert, then you check तो efficiency is there. हम यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले इधर ही चेक कर लेते हैं कि it is equal less than or greater than. If it is greater than, then move to this direction, or this direction is totally reduce. So totally reduce, then move to here. Now check it is 109, again check here it is less than or greater than. Less than 109 is this, then move to here, again check this, so it is 109. Got it? So first condition, this number what you want, you will want to insert, then checked if condition it is less than or greater than, then half part of tree totally reduce, and you will come to another part of tree. Now some limitation of the BST is here. Limitation is how, let's suppose it is also BST, because BST condition is what, BST tree have a 0, 1 and 2 child. So according to this, this is have a 1 child, okay, no issue, and this node have only 1 child, no issue, again 1 child, and again 1 child, no problem. So it is a BST, okay. But time complexity to searching time complexity to search element in BST, that is OH. Let's suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. So height is 4 of this tree. So time complexity also here improve, here increase. So in worst case, BST is either left skew and right skew time complexity to search an element, or and here total number of node is this. So complexity is in worst case order of n. Same condition occur here. 5 right number is 6, okay. 6 right number is 7, okay, no issue. Then 8 number is also comes to right right side of 7, okay. Then 1, 1, 1, 1. So what the height of right direction? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So worst case condition in complexity is order of n. So it is the drawback of this BST. Then then next point is comes to, that is avial tree. It remove this problem, height problem, it remove. So avial also called a height balance BST, okay. So start. Avial is invented by GM Adelson, Welsky and EM Landis in 1962. It is also called a height balance BST. Height balance BST like this. Here here is what complexity is of height according to 4. So 4, then complexity also increase here. So it is removed by avial. How? By rotation operations. Okay. So and here the balance factor of any node is defined by this formula. Height of right subtree minus height of left subtree. If so, BST, a BST is said to be avial tree if balance factor of any node has value is this, -1, 0 and +1. If BST balance factor is this, -1, 0 and 1, there is no change. If height balance factor is 2 and -2, then then comes to need to be balance that BST by some rotation. These are the some rotation use remove the BST -2 and +2. So if an avial tree become unbalanced after the insertion of a new node that rotate, the operation is required. What rotation? First one is left rotation, left. First one is left rotation. Left rotation means if new node insert to left, again insert to left, then checked by this formula you apply there, then balance the balance factor is 2 and -2. That time you use LL. These all operation we will discuss in a numerical, then you easily understand about the rotation in avial. So first one is LL rotation, second one is RR rotation, third one is LR rotation, and fourth one is RL rotation. LL rotation means left rotation, and RR rotation means right. LR means left to right rotation and right to left rotation. When you do this rotation first LL, then it need to only one rotation. RR same need to only one rotation, but LR or RL need to two rotation. If LR, then move to LL, then LR. So like this. Again here move to first one is RR, then RL. So here need to two rotation. Let's suppose here LL rotation, how to work. Let's suppose here you want to insert any number to left direction. Let 3, it is BST again. Okay, and what is the balance factor formula is? Balance factor formula is height of right subtree minus height of left subtree. Height of right is this one, or left one is this one. So height of right minus height of left subtree. Here checked. First one is 5. Let's suppose here we start here. There is no child here, so balance factor is right minus left. Right minus is 0. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. So balance factor is 0. No need to change. Now here comes to it is 1 and it is 0. There is no child. So right minus left, na, according to this formula, right minus left. Right minus left, 0 minus 1. 1 is 1 child. What is answer? Minus 1. No need to change. Now comes to next number. This is here 0 right side minus left 1 and 1 2. So output is minus 2. It is minus 2. The balance factor if minus 2 and plus 2, then need to rotation. Then need to some rotation. So what the rotation is here? It is left L and again left L. So according to LL rotation, move to anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. So here check again. It is moved to this direction. So 4 is here, 3 is comes to here, and 5 will comes to here, because it moved to anti-clockwise. If it moved to anti-clockwise, now check it. It is balanced tree or not? AVL. There is any no child, so balance factor is 0. Again check this here. It is here also no child, so again balance factor is 0. And 1 child here and 1 child here. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So it is balance tree right now. Right now it is balanced tree. Next one is right rotation. Right rotation means if you want to insert a new node in right direction of this subtree, then need to again one rotation. Let's suppose you want to insert next number is 7. Same condition is occur. What is the balance factor of this number? 0, because there is no child. Again check to next number. It is right minus left. Right minus left means 1 minus 0. So it is 1. No need to change here again. And now check to next number. 0, 1, and it is 1 over 2. And there is no child. So it is, sorry, 2. So, so balance factor of this this element 5 is 2. So, so here need rotation, that is RR. RR right, it is R direction and it is also R direction. So, now it is moved to like this. Anti-clock. This is clockwise, or this is anti-clock rotation in one way. Need to one notation. So now it will become 7. It moved to this direction. So it is called a right rotation. Now check. Yes. What is the balance factor of this element? 0, because left and right both child is not here. Again it is 0 and here is 1. Here is also 1. So right minus left is 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So now it is a balanced BST. Now third rotation is LR rotation. What is the LR rotation? LR rotation means left right rotation. Left right rotation means here you want to let's suppose here a new node is insert the right subtree of the left subtree of node. It here need to two rotation. What, how two rotation you need? First is what? Here it is the L or it is right. It is L, it is right. Now check it is BST or not first. So it is, there is no child. So BST balance factor of this element is 0. Now check is here, right minus 1. Right is what? 1. 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Now next number is 5. 5, how many height of ages? 1 and 1, 2. So now checked first 0, right side direction no child. So 0 minus right minus left. Left means what? 2. So minus 2 is BST. So need 2 rotation here because minus 2 is not comes to balance factor. Balance factor value is 0, 1 and minus 1. But here minus 2 is come. So need to rotate. But there it need to 2 times rotation. Which time? 2 times rotation. First one is, let's suppose you want to insert this is a number and it is firstly make it LR, make to LL. First one. Then LR. These 2 rotation is need here. So if you LL, then move to this number. Move to this number like this form. Like this form. So 5 here. 4 move to like this. Then 3. Again move to this direction. So it is L and again L. Ab now move to clockwise direction. First one is anti-clockwise, then is clockwise direction. So again problem is occur. Again minus 2 problem occur here because right is 0 and left is 2. So 0 minus 2 it minus 2. अभी भी प्रॉब्लम खत्म नहीं हुई. So what is do we do here? Here तो again need to rotation LL like this form. So 4 move to up and 5 will come to right direction and 3 will comes to left direction. Now it is checked. It is 0 be a balance factor. Here again balance factor is 0 and now 1 minus 1 is again 0. So now it is a balance BST. Got it? Now here is LR rotation. LR rotation again it is a comes to 2 rotations. First one is RR and second one is RL. So first one is what? Firstly then checked. Firstly checked it is 0. There is no child, not left, not right direction. So it is 0. Now checked is it is right direction is 0 and left direction is 1. So 0 minus 1 it is minus 1. No need to change here. Now checked here 6, 7. Right direction is 2. Left direction is 0, 2. So we want to remove this 2 number. So first is what we will do? First we rotate RR direction, then LR direction. RR direction is what? Check move to this clockwise. Clockwise and clockwise is here checked. Then 5 is there and this number. Firstly we checked this number. So this number is moved here, then it is 6 and it is 7. Move to this. So 6 will comes to above and 7 also comes to right direction, like this. This is right and this is right also. Now now this node is RL rotation, and according to RL rotation, move to this direction. Again move to this direction anti-clockwise. Now checked, it will become 5. Next one is 7. Now check it. What the balance factor of each element? It is 0, left or right both, no child here, and again it is 0, and here 1 and 1, so our output is 0. It is a EST. Now generate a AVL tree. How? It works on a BST and checked each step which checked it is balanced BST or not. If it is not balanced BST, then check which rotation is required here and then apply on it. So first is 40. No need to change it because both are no element is here. Now it comes to 20 because 20 is less than to 40. Now check it. So according to this step, it is 0 because there is no any child left or right direction. So I am now check it here. It is 1 left direction, right direction is no. So it is 0 minus 1. It is minus 1. No need to change. Now next number is 23. 23 comes to here. To here because 23 is less than to 40, so comes to left direction. Now 20 is greater than to 20, so it is comes to right direction. So now check each number again. It is what is the balance factor of this element? 23. It is 0, left or right is not. Now check to next number. It is right and left element is not here. So 1 is right direction and left direction not there. It is 1. But next number is checked 1 and 1 2, and here is no any child. So what is the balance factor? 0 minus 1 or 1 2 minus 2. So need 2 rotation here. Which type rotation here? It is a left and it is a right. So rotation is here LR, or LR condition is need to 2 rotation. First one is LL, then LR. Need to these 2 rotation here. So first it move to anti-clockwise. Move to anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise is here 40. Move, then it is above and it is left. 23 will come and it is L and L. Now rotation of LR. LR is clockwise. So final output is 23, 40 and 20. This is the answer is 23, 40 and 35, 56. This number is used. Now comes to again it. Again check it. Next balance factor is 0. Again balance factor is 0 and is 1 minus 1 equal to 0. No need to change and it is final. What the number next is? Insert here. This is 35. 35 is where it will become 35 is greater than to 23, then comes to here and it is now comes to 35. Now check again. There is 0, no need to this. Here 0 minus 1 equal to -1, again no need to there. In it is 0 and it is 2. 2 minus 1, it is 1. So there is easily inserted, no change, because balance factor is here 1, 0 and -1. Next number is 56. 56 is greater than to 23, then comes to right direction, again 56 check to 40, and 56 again greater than to 40, then move to. Now check it is balanced or not. There is no child, it is 0. Here 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 is equal to 0, no need, and 2 and 0. So 2 minus 1 equal to 1, no need to change. Next number is 78. 78 is here. Move to this 78 again, and now move to 78 here. 78. Now check the BS balance. It is balanced or not? It is 0. No need to change. It is 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0. Again it is 1. No need to change. There no need to change. But 1, 2. 2 minus 1 and 1, 2. 2 minus 1. No need to change here again. Now comes to here 0 and 2. 1, 2, 3, or here is 1. So 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So it is here balance factor is 2. So need to rotate. Where need to rotate here? In this form. In this form it is right and right. Anything want right and right is there, and comes to like this direction. Like this direction, 56 here, 45 here, and again 40. 23, 20, move to like this, then it is 56, 40, it is 78, and it is 35. Now it is balance. Got it? Checked each BST condition is fulfilled or not. 0, 1, 0 minus 1, it is -1, 0, 2, 1 minus 2, it -1, and 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. No condition is again occur. So what is here? It is right, it is left, it is left. First condition is checked. Move to this direction, move to this direction. If you want to move this direction, then 35 remove here and comes to 35 here. So it is done. So it is the AVL tree representation structure. AVL tree, first data, that number need like this, 22 is a root node, data this in data, and struct AVL tree, and left to right. Right is left child, and some child is here. So it is struct AVL node again left to right, and check the balance factor or not. So advantage of AVL tree, the height of the AVL tree never goes to beyond the long n, where n is total number of node in a given tree. So it takes the long n times to insert and search and delete operation in AVL tree and all cases. In all cases, remaining part of this AVL tree we will discuss in my next lecture. So this time, thank you so much.